Hey there, Healthify Hub fam. In today's video, we're talking about healthy snacks for weight loss. If you're like us, you're always on the lookout for nutritious and tasty snacks that can help you stay on track with your health goals. Well, you're in luck, because we've got some awesome ideas to share with you today. From crunchy veggies to protein-packed options, these snacks will keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. So, get ready to take your snacking game to the next level with Healthify Hub. Step 1. Choose the right snacks. The first step in creating healthy snacks for weight loss is choosing the right ingredients. Ideally, your snacks should be low in calories and high in fiber, protein, and other nutrients that can help you feel full and satisfied. Some healthy snack options include 1. Fresh fruit, such as apples, bananas, berries, and oranges. 2. Raw vegetables, such as carrot sticks, cucumber slices, and cherry tomatoes. 3. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds. 4. Low-fat dairy products, such as Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. 5. Whole grain crackers or rice cakes. Step 2. Prepare your snacks. Once you've chosen your ingredients, it's time to prepare your snacks. This can be done in a variety of ways, depending on your preferences and the ingredients you've chosen. Some options include 1. Slicing fruits and vegetables into bite-sized pieces and storing them in a container in the fridge for easy snacking. 2. Mixing nuts and seeds with dried fruit for a satisfying trail mix. 3. Combining Greek yogurt with fresh fruit and a drizzle of honey for a protein-packed snack. 4. Spreading peanut butter or almond butter on whole grain crackers or rice cakes for a filling snack. Step 3. Portion control. Even healthy snacks can be high in calories if you eat too much of them. To avoid overeating, it's important to practice portion control. Here are some tips for portioning your snacks. 1. Use small containers or bags to store your snacks, rather than eating straight out of a large package. 2. Measure out your snacks in advance to ensure you're not eating too much. 3. Consider using a food scale to weigh your snacks and ensure you're sticking to a healthy portion size. Step 4. Plan ahead. One of the keys to success with healthy snacking is planning ahead. This can help you avoid reaching for unhealthy options when you're hungry and short on time. Here are some tips for planning ahead. 1. Set aside time each week to plan and prepare your snacks in advance. 2. Keep healthy snacks on hand at home, at work, and in your car or bag for when hunger strikes. 3. Consider using a meal prep service or delivery service to ensure you always have healthy options on hand. By following these steps and incorporating healthy snacks into your diet, you can help support your weight loss goals while also keeping your hunger at bay and maintaining your energy levels throughout the day.